If you're still slapping pictures on vision boards, journaling till your hand cramps, and meditating so long your foot falls asleep, brace yourself. The fastest reality flipper needs 0 incense, 0 subscriptions, and 0 chanting. 2 plain cups, tap water, 2 minutes. That's it. Stay here and I'll show you why the big names skip it. I'm not here to roast anyone. I bought the courses, worn the white light t-shirt. But flashy rituals always seem to come with a $997 invoice. Meanwhile, the 2-cup trick sits in the back row, acing the test without the homework. Today we're letting it speak. You'll get the exact play-by-play, the nerdy reason it works, and why most coaches pretend they never heard of it. Grab 2 mugs and smash that like if you're done waiting for the universe to notice you. Section 1: The Quiet Power of Water. Water looks boring. No color, no smell, yet it remembers. Emoto froze droplets after labeling them love or hate, and the crystals matched the mood. Your body is basically a walking fish tank. So when you whisper an intention over a glass, you're editing the code that runs 60% of you. Gurus love to chant, raise your vibration, but hand someone a kitchen glass and suddenly the magic feels too cheap to upsell. Section 2: Why Simplicity Gets Silenced. Ever tried selling a masterclass that ends in 2 minutes? Awful business model. "20-step morning routines keep wallets open, 2-step methods close them." Plus, pour water, change life, sounds like a kindergarten game, terrible branding, even though obscure comment sections are stuffed with wild win stories. Popularity isn't proof, it's just good packaging. Section 3: Step-by-step 2-cup tutorial. 2 identical cups, half full of water. Slip of paper on cup A. Write your current drag, nowhere income. Cup B. Write the flip, present tense, money flows easily. Hold cup A. Feel the for 5 seconds, tight chest, overdue rent, whatever shows up. Pour into cup B. Watch the water bridge. That's your timeline hop. Sip every drop of cup B while smiling like the thing already happened. Do it once. Obsession is the kill switch. Gurus say repeat for 21 days. Common sense says trust and move on. If this video is helping to change your life, please like, share, and subscribe. Type the exact phrase you wrote on cup B in the comments. Making it public nails it to the wall, and I'll swing by with a one-line blessing to keep the vibe high. Section 4: Quick proof from the real world. Lexi, one of last month's viewers, filmed her 2 cups for a $3,000 debt payoff. 20 days later she posted a bank snap, plus $3,042. Coincidence? Maybe. When hundreds repeat the same timeline, statisticians stop yawning. Call it placebo, call it creation, your account still smiles. Section 5 Common mistakes that kill the magic. Bottled water with brand logos already plastered on it, old programming. Use plain glass so the only ink is yours. Saying, I want, that keeps the carrot dangling. Say, I am, and the brain marks it done. Repeating nightly like homework. Trust is rocket fuel, doubt is the brake. Do it once, then go enjoy dinner. Section 6 Pairing the method for turbo results. After you drink, do a 30-second action that screams the new identity. Label says, I'm fit. Lace shoes and jog to the mailbox. Brain sees cause-effect, files it under normal, then hunts for more proof. You're not chasing, you're being, and water is your liquid receipt. Section 7 Why you might still resist. Ego adores complexity because complexity buys time. Simplicity shoves the mirror in your face. The only thing between you and a new reality is a 2-minute decision. That's scary exciting, so we scroll for another 10-step ritual instead. Catch the thought, this can't work, that's the exact ceiling you're about to smash. Closing. Bold enough to try it before bed? Hit subscribe and drop a droplet emoji so I know you're in. I'll pin fresh success stories next week. Your screenshot might top the list. Conclusion. You've now met the quiet trick they shuffle past on stage. 2 cups, 60 seconds of focus, 1 gulp of belief. The universe isn't waiting for you to finish a masterclass, it's waiting for you to decide. Label, pour, drink, relax. Wake up tomorrow 1 sip closer to the life you actually ordered. See you in the comments, and happy jumping!